Hey, do you know that you can actually watch a playlist and get watch hours? Yes, you can actually ask your friends and family to help you watch a playlist over the night while they are asleep and not using their phone, and then you can get good watch hours. I'm very certain that you want to get to your monetization goal quicker than you think. Aside waiting to get viral videos that give you your watch hours, there are other ways that you can get your watch hours, and watching your playlist is one of them. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can create your playlist. In case you don't know how to create a playlist, just watch this video and get how to create your playlist. It is a very simple process, right? It doesn't take anything. You can do this with your YouTube studio, or you can do this from your YouTube app, or you can do this from the desktop site. Anyone you want to use, you are good to go. Just watch this video to the end and get that information.
All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this in three different ways using the YouTube app, using the YouTube Studio app, and then the desktop site. So beginning with the YouTube app, I'm going to go straight to my YouTube app and I'm going to click on this part where I have my picture showing and new written under it. I'll click on that, and then when it opens up like this, I'm going to go ahead and click on the particular one that I want to add to the playlist. I'm going to click this for I'm using this one as an instance, and I'll click on save to playlist. When it does open up like this, if I don't have any playlist created, I can just go ahead and click on new playlist. Right, when I click on new playlist, I can put in the title I want, these videos, and then I can change this from private to public, right? Change it from private to public, and then you click on create. I'm not creating a playlist, so I won't be clicking on create. So this is it. When that is done, you can go ahead and click some other ones, and I click on other ones, any other one, and then add them to whatever playlist you want to add it to, and just click on done. This is all you need to know using the YouTube app. Now let's go to this YouTube studio. Right, let's go to YouTube studio, and I'm going to I'll click on content. Right, I'll click on content, and I'm going to click on the particular one that I want to add to a playlist. If you look down here, you see the playlist I have. Currently, I have like 5 different playlists. So I'll go ahead and pick the particular video I want to add to that playlist. I'll click on it, and I'm going to click on edit. I'll click on edit, and then when it opens up like this, here where I have playlist, I'll click on that playlist button, to add it to any playlist or create a playlist as the case may be that I want to add it to. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to click on done. This is what it's like to do it from your YouTube studio. So the last one is going to be from my desktop site. Like I already mentioned, this particular tutorial is very simple. It's very simple. You don't need magic to create a playlist. Just go ahead and create one, rename the folder, and get started. Begin to add your videos to it so that you can send the link. Okay, so the last one I talked about is using the desktop site, right? So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser, and I'm going to type in YouTube Creator YouTube Studio Desktop, and I'll click on search, ensuring that it is actually on desktop mode. To get it on desktop mode, you click on this three dot sign showing up there, and you scroll down to see that it is on desktop sites or not. If it's not, turn it on, right? Then you're going to click on log in and give it some time to open up. It will first take it to your studio, the app, and then to bring you back to the desktop site. When this is done, let's give it some time to open. All right, so I have my page here. Let me increase it a bit. I have my page here. So the way to create a playlist from this part, you click on the third icon, one that has the content, right? You click on that icon, the content icon, and then you pick the particular one you want to add to your playlist. Let's say this is the new one I created, and I want to create a new playlist for it. I'll click on it, And then when it opens up like this, if you scroll down, when you scroll down, just after where you have the thumbnail, you will see the part for playlist. As you can see, mine already created some, and there's a space where it's a new playlist. You can click on that to create a new playlist, just in case you have any playlist on your channel already. So this is just it. Like I earlier mentioned, it's a very simple process that you can practice. You don't need anybody to actually hold you by the hand. Literally, you can just practice it. This is all it entails for you to create your playlist. So that's I am hoping that you'll be able to create yours and leave in the comment section if you really found it easy or you're still having any confusions. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for staying to this point. I'm really hoping that you gained some value from this video. If you are still here, please, I have other videos that I know that you will find valuable. See this playlist playing up here. Just go ahead and click on this to see other valuable content I have posted. And if you want to know how to watch your playlist correctly, I have also put out valuable content as regards how you can watch a playlist correctly so that your views will count for you or so that the watch hours gained can count for you. You see this one playing down here? Go ahead and click on that to watch how to watch your playlist correctly. I am really excited that you have come to the end of this video. Thank you for staying through. See you in my next video and bye for now.